This week on Tripping with George.
Highly recommend this spot. Really, really good food place. It gets late. Everywhere stays open. F***ing late. It's insane. It's so f***ing awesome. Every day is a special f***ing day in Bangkok. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what a normal working day looks like in Bangkok. It's not a flash day, not a showy off day, just an average normal day remote working in Bangkok. And if you're impatient and you can't be asked to watch the video, just know that it is banging. Yeah, it's banging, but it's f***ing hard too.
Every time you leave, every time you go, I feel it in my sleep, straight down in my soul. Cause every time you leave, I feel it in my toes, feel it in my sleep, straight down in my soul. Cause every time you leave me, I feel it in my sleep, see it in my dreams, me. I'm left with just a piece that remains within me.
Alright, to kick off today's remote working session in Bangkok, I've come just to get a little bit of food. This is on Soi 14, right next to Terminal 21 and right next to the Asok BTS train station up there. So highly recommend it. Food is banging, the staff are lovely. I came here at like 10:30 at night last night. It was raining, it was dark. Came here, they said they'd shut, and I think they just saw the sheer desperation and disappointment in my face and ended up serving me, so I appreciate that. So if you're in this area, I highly recommend this spot. Really, really good food place. Gonna get a little bit of food now and then head to the first coffee shop for first remote working session today.
In my soul, cause every time you leave, I feel it in my toes, feel it in my sleep, straight down in my soul.
Cool, so just got a little bit of food. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head to Starbucks now at Terminal 21. Really nice Starbucks there. Everyone loves the Starbucks, man. The drinks that they do here are different. Like, they do different shit than they do in the West, and it is proper banging. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Terminal 21 and I'm gonna plop in Starbucks, start with Starbucks for a few hours and do a little bit of work. Okay, always shit going on. So I just wrapped up a work sesh at Starbucks at Terminal 21. I'm gonna head downstairs in Terminal 21 now, get a little bit of food, and then I'm gonna head to the next spot for the next work session.
Every time you leave, every time you go, I feel it in my sleep, straight down in my soul. Cause every time you leave, I feel it in my toes, feel it in my sleep, straight down in my soul. Cause every time you leave me, I feel it in my sleep, see it in my dreams, me. I'm left with just a piece that remains within me. Every time you leave, I lose sight of me, B. Yeah. I want to take you to get us some seafood. I'm so happy when you're around. So where you at right now, Yeah.
Cool, so I am nearly at the next coffee spot for the next little work sesh. Where I'm going to go now is a place called Cabbages and Condoms. Now, Cabbages and Condoms is a very popular restaurant in Bangkok, apparently. They've got a little cafe next door to it, which is really cool. It's a super nice chilled spot to work in. Staff are awesome, so I'm going to go plop there for a few hours now.
Straight down in my soul, cause
Alright, so apparently that's shut, so I'm not going to be going in there. I'm going to go and find another coffee spot. I think there's so many around here, so I'm going to go find another little spot and plop for a few hours, and yeah, do a couple more hours of work. Alright, let's check out Tom and Tom's Coffee.
I think I see.
Cool, so it is currently 13 minutes past 9 on a Thursday evening, and this is what remote working in Bangkok looks like. It gets late, everywhere stays open. F***ing late, it's insane. Pretty sure this Tom and Tom's Coffee is open 24 hours a day. What coffee shops are open 24 hours a day? That is madness. But one of the things I really do like about remote working in Bangkok is the coffee shops. There are a lot of banging coffee shops. Yes, you might want to go to a co-working space or rent an office, something like that. For me, I love to coffee hop. I love to go get a coffee, usually a green tea matcha latte with oat milk, almond milk. They are banging here. Why we don't sell them in the UK, I have absolutely no idea. Yeah, you know, like going around coffee shop working in Bangkok is such a good way to remote work. I absolutely love it. And as I said, maybe you don't like working till 9, 10 at night, but for me, I do. Like, these are my more productive hours, and I love the fact that I can come to a banging coffee shop in the heart of Bangkok. I'll stay here till when I like. It's brilliant.
You don't even know the meaning, definition of a demon. I see now, it's in my head. I think I see now, it's in my head. When you lose something you can't replace, could it be
Alright, cool. So wrapped up at Tom and Tom's Cafe, banging little coffee spot, really nice place to do a couple hours work. It's now 10:30 at night and I need to get some food. It's 10:30 at night, I've not had dinner, so I'm going to find somewhere and get a little bit of munch. But again, one of the great things about Bangkok, right, is that it does not sleep. It is not a joke. It is open all the time. It's 10:30 at night and Tom and Tom's is a busy ass coffee shop. Doesn't make sense. Where does that happen other than Bangkok? It doesn't. So yeah, I'm going to go and find a little food spot and get some banging cheap food. Alright, cool. So it looks like today's remote working session is going to be wrapping up, not with dinner at a restaurant, but just grabbing something quick from 7-Eleven. In 7-Eleven, the food is banging, it is cheap, there's quite a range in it, you can't really complain. But yeah, this is what a normal day looks like, remote working in Bangkok. Get up, go to your first little work spot, you get a nice coffee in a lovely spot, get some awesome food throughout the day, super cheap, super tasty, super healthy. You might go to another little work spot where you like, spend a couple hours there, then you wrap the day up as you normally would. You might go home, you might watch Netflix, whatever the thing is that you're going to do, right? But today I left it a little bit late. I'm going to go in, I'm going to go get some dinner from 7-Eleven and I'm going to wind down my day. I appreciate this video. It might not have been the most exciting Thailand video that you've ever seen in your entire life, but what it is probably one of the realest, right? Like, if you work and you have shit to do, this is probably what your life's going to more be like. You've got your local neighborhood that you're staying in, you got the food spots that you go to, you got a gym that you train at, like whatever your routine is, you have a routine and you go to the same thing over and over again, because that's life. But the point is, it's not the life that you're trying to get away from. You're not trying to run away from this shit and go on holiday, because it's so f***ing cool when you're here. It's so f***ing awesome when you're in Bangkok that you're absolutely fine with doing this shit all day, every day. If I'd want to blow my f***ing brains out working till 10:30 at night. But now there's just everything going on. You just want to be amongst it. But something I gotta say is a video like this is never ever gonna do justice to how good a remote working day in Bangkok can be. There is so much to do, there is so many places to go, you just couldn't cover it in a single day like this. Today was more of like a nothing day. Today was a day where you get up, you go do your work, go about your business, and then you go home and you go sleep at the end of the day. But yet even then, it's so much fun in Bangkok. I can't stress that enough. Even on a day where you just do, in all other cases, what would be classed as nothing, and yet it's still so cool. It's still so much fun. Go to a banging little coffee spot and you get a nice drink you can't even get in like the UK or the US, and then you go and you get some amazing cheap food that tastes incredible and it's super healthy, and then you go to another spot and you're just right in the middle of Bangkok. The weather's going crazy. It's awesome. Really is fucking awesome. I mean, whatever you want to do, you can do here. This for me was just a normal day. Just get up, go in the local neighborhood. You see, it can be fun. It's so fun. Cool. Yeah, just want to say, I hope that this video did not bore the absolute tits off of you, me doing basically nothing. But at the same time, I hope I showed you how doing basically nothing in Bangkok is still something. Every day is a special fucking day in Bangkok.